right?
You alright?
Yeah. Just having a smoke.
Yeah. Well, just that one. We'll carry on then.
Where you off?
I don't have once and just start this week.
I was going to ride, but I don't know now. Nice day. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you very much. Yeah. G'day, mate. Right, pop pickers. It's a glorious Saturday afternoon, and here I am fecking around with this poxy DJIMIC again. Connects wirelessly to the camera. When you connect it, turn the camera off, ready for your one-touch start record, and it don't fecking connect. So now I've got it permanently on board recording, which means I'm going to have a load of editing to do, so there's probably not going to be a lot of footage here, because I'm going to have a massive file to bloody sort through. I'm just waiting for these fecking cars to stop coming along, and then I'm going. Now, one nice man on a BMW stopped. See if I was alright, which I was. Some fucking mic issues. I was going to head down to Rye, but it's a bit late now. I've spent half a day fanning around with this DJI. I'm going to be getting an email. The firmware's been updated. It just won't connect when you do the old quick record bit. Gets up. I want to go down a couple of my favourite lanes. And then home again. Home again. Thank you all for moving over, but I'm not going yet. I think that was the geezer that stopped. Great. Well, that's bollocks this line up, isn't it? Fucking 30. Fucking hell. Your Fiat 500's going for it. Great, now my fuel light's on. Bell End. Gonna walk along the street doing FaceTime or whatever. Bumpy corner. These potholes. And then you're going to make yourself as wide as fucking possible, wouldn't you? Van up ahead. Oh, come on. Said some little chavvy on a scooter. It's a nice bike, mate. No number plate on the back of it. He's probably gone to get his mates there. So, I'm going. He didn't have his black tracksuit or balaclava on though, so should be alright. They won't come back and rob me. But, let's go home. Let's get rid of this fucking fuel. Put it in gear, dickhead. Yeah, I know. You tried doing 30 on this fucking thing. Yeah, it's been a bit of a naff ride thanks to DJI and fannying about the camera. So I'm going to go home, give this a wipe off, and ping an email off to DJI support. They're normally pretty good. I did post a comment on the Facebook mic page, but nothing's come of that. So I'll just email DJI support and see what happens. Fucking annoying. It's been a brilliant setup, kind of sorting out the wind issues, but it ain't gonna fucking record off the bat when you press the record button. It's pretty shite. Pardon me. I've just had a bottle of Tropicana and a 12 for some energy and put 5 litres in the bike. Now we're stuck behind this fucking great long line of cars. What that means is we're gonna scooch up the side of these. Little chubby girls. That's it, you'll go to Sainsbury's. Nice. Thought this taxi was stopping, clearly not. Only doing 40 odd again, but fucking great Merc. The pedal on the right. Another junction here, I think we've got to be careful here. Now we should be good. Get my knee down round here. the fuck? Jesus Christ. It really has been one of them fucking days. Going home, I've had enough. The fucking Tesco driver's super wide and super slow. Right, I'm definitely leaving it here. Take it easy everybody, stay safe, later us.